I need to tell you something. I wish I could tell every woman I know. And it is not a resolution, it is a way of being that can change everything for you in 2026 and beyond. This is our continuation of our Rest Reset series. And the truth, the reset we have to have this year is that you are your own knight in shining armor. You are the one that you have been waiting on, sis. I promise you. And let me explain why. I have so many friends and beautiful, capable, lovely women I know who have this fantasy in the back of their mind of waiting for someday for some man to come rescue them so that their life can be happy, so that they can finally relax, so that they can finally rest because they're tired and they're exhausted. Guess what? Anybody who comes into your life is going to be looking at the standard you have set for yourself. And most men are going to give you more of the same. They're going to give you so if they already see disrespect and neglect, if they already see willingness to sacrifice beyond what's required in you, you're going to get more of the same. If they see a woman who treats herself like she knows what she's worth, like she's confident, like she's capable, who treats herself like she's valuable and doesn't run herself into the ground, a woman who treats herself like a queen already, you're going to get more of the same. So instead of living in this life that feels so miserable and so heavy to you, you have to find ways to save yourself now, to lighten your load now, to invest in your own joy now, to invest in your own self-care now, to create the life you want now. And guess what? When you meet that person, or if you meet some person, they're going to come into a standard that has to already be maintained, but you are the thermostat for your own life. You set the standard and you set the tone. So he's not coming, sis. He's not coming. And the man or the knight or whoever that you feel like, is this going to be this rescuer? Whoever that person is, they wouldn't want to find you miserable anyway. Nobody wants a charity project. Nobody wants somebody that they just have to just build from the ground up. And you have everything you need right now to build the life you want. So it is time. It is time for you to stop putting your dreams and your goals in someday when, or, I have a family member who says, well, eventually, she jokes, but she's also not joking. She's like, oh, well, we'll be rich and I'll meet a man and we'll be rich and I'll finally be able to rest. If you meet a man and he's rich, and that's awesome. I'm not knocking that at all or that possibility. But what I'm saying is we're not waiting. Okay, you're not waiting anymore. You're not waiting for some guy to come sweep you off your feet. This is not Cinderella. This is not Sleeping Beauty. This is not any of that. This is real life. Okay, and a lot of these fairy tales set us up for failure. And I grew up loving the fairy tales. I had all the dolls and the things on my wall and everything. But that's not the reality we live in. The reality we live in is that a lot of people, at least in the Western US world, by the time they're 65, they're either dead or dead broke. That is the reality we live in. The reality we live in is that women, as they age, are 2 to 3 times more likely to end up in poverty. This is the reality we live in. And so you have to start cultivating your lovely, happy, beautiful, content life now. We're not waiting for someday. You are your own knight in shining armor. And this needs to be a way of thinking, right? Because what happens is, with that whole I'm waiting for somebody else, with that external locus of control, as it's called in the fancy term, where you don't have control, you're waiting on somebody else who's going to have all the control and just lift you up and just make your life amazing. You're losing time. You're losing moments. You're losing days that could have been filled with so much joy. And so it's time to stop. You are the one you've been waiting for. And I feel like if you're watching this, you needed to hear it. You are the one you've been waiting for. Think of yourself like you would a best friend, right? Because sometimes as women, we're taught to devalue ourselves and devalue our needs. And we're taught that being self-loving is the same as being selfish, which is not true. Or even if you're a parent, think about your child. Think about how you feel about your child, or how you feel about your best friend, or somebody you really, really care about, right? And then think about the life you would want for that person and how much you would do for that person to try to support them any way they could. And then put yourself in that position. Treat yourself like your own best friend. Treat yourself like somebody you really, really care about. And think about it. Think about your days. Think about the past 7 days. Think about the food you put in your mouth. Think about the amount of sleep you've gotten. Think about the hobbies and the activities you had. Think about whether you did things that were exciting, fulfilling. Like, have you really treated yourself like a friend in the past 7 days? Have you treated yourself like a really good best friend that you would want in the past 7 days, and the past 90 days, and the past year? And if the answer to that is no, it's time to make some changes, because you are the one you've been waiting for. You are your own knight in shining armor. So you can do it right now. You can create a life that brings you joy. You can set goals. You can accomplish them. You can create atmospheres of beauty and joy. You can give yourself new experiences that excite you. You can build relationships that fulfill you. You can do all that now. And it's a lie that has benefited society to tell you otherwise. So stop delaying your joy. Stop waiting for validation or permission. If you need somebody to stamp you with a stamp of approval, I just did. Congratulations. You now have permission to live your life, take full control, be fully adult, be fully confident, be fully capable, and rescue yourself and create an amazing life. You have permission to stop delaying your delight. Stop waiting on that and do it now. And if you need help with this, check out my book, Rest is the New Hustle, down below. Check out the Rest Starter Kit. It's free for you. That will help give you some tools and some frameworks to start exploring what it means to just build your rich, rested, fulfilled, thriving life now, because you can. No more delay, no more denial. No more denial in terms of waiting on this magical person to come, but also no more denial in terms of saying no to yourself and your desires in the life that you're totally capable of living with joy and with peace and with positivity. All right. So thank you so much for watching. It always helps when you watch. Please, if this inspired you, like, share, comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I'll catch you in the next one.